In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your Solana wallet address on Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So firstly, you will obviously need to log in into your Kraken account. If you don't have one already, you can just create one in a few minutes. And once you are here at your dashboard, all you need to do is search for Solana right here. So search for Solana, click right here on the crypto coin, and you should find some information about this coin. And then if you scroll down, you should see something like this. In my case, I have no Solana right now. So to deposit and see our address, we can click on deposit. Then here you got some simple Solana instructions. If you are new to crypto, you might consider reading this, but it basically says that you can only deposit Solana from the Solana network. There is also a minimum deposit of, this is around $2 right now. The processing time for these crypto transactions is less than a minute, and if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can try sending smaller amounts first. So I will click on I understand, and right here it will begin generating your address, and after a few seconds here you got your Solana deposit address. So this is basically your wallet address, which you need to send to the person that wants to pay you, or you can also use it on any platform if you want to send money from a different platform to Kraken. And you can even use this QR code, which you can scan, and it will basically give you this information automatically just by scanning the QR code with your phone. And that's it. That's basically how you can find and take payments on your Solana wallet using Kraken. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.